are they? Where are they?
Be careful, Mutlu.
Wait! At least tell me what I can and can't touch!
You should be careful as well, Mutlu. Wait, what? But are there two of them? Oh, honey, I think we may have a bit of a problem here.
My mission's completed! Fly, fly! Just 5 more minutes, please. Ah!
One Mutlu was enough for us. Where did all these others come from?
Well, I left Mutlu in the treehouse alone. We had a cloning machine there, and well...
Oh, then that makes sense. So how will we know which one is the real Mutlu?
Well, first, we should wrangle them together.
Who wants a cookie, guys?
So, which one of you is the real Mutlu?
I'm Mutlu! No, I'm Mutlu! I'm the most Mutlu! No, it's me!
Okay then, listen to me. Everyone will hug the Mutlu near him.
Oh! Ooh! Run, run, run! Wait up! Don't run away!
The real one unites the fake one when he touches him. It's so simple.
So this problem is solved too. Then it's cake and cookie time for everyone.
What about the no touching, huh? Aha! I've got you! No one will ever be able to catch Super Mutlu! Fly, fly! You'll see who's the Super Mutlu now! Don't run! Stop running from me!
Maddie, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Maddie, they came to see all new things. Every moment, everywhere.